OnePlus took the stage in New Delhi to unveil the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R to the international market. The two phones were unveiled in the end of last year in China. That is the OnePlus 12, and the Ace 3 was also unveiled. So there is no surprise in the specs. The OnePlus 12 brings the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 30% faster GPU and 25% faster CPU over Gen 2 with up to 16 GB DDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. There is a 24 GB and 1 TB version, but that is only for China. Upfront, you get the state-of-the-art 6.82-inch 2K plus LTPO 4.0 AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. They claim that the maximum brightness is 4500 nits and 1600 nits globally. You get the 4th generation Hasselblad camera for mobile, highlighted by Sony's 550 megapixel LYT-808 main sensor. You get a 70mm f2.6 3x OmniVision OV64B periscope camera that doubles duty as 6F camera and 120x digital zoom. The third camera on the back is 48 megapixel 1x2-inch ultra-wide sensor with 14mm f2.2 and face detection autofocus. You get a very disappointing 32 megapixel f2.4 selfie camera cutout. The OnePlus 12 introduces a new dual cryo velocity VC cooling chamber. It has omnidimensional antenna design with a total 16 antenna for superior connectivity. It is IP65 water sealed. It comes with a massive 5400 mAh battery with 100 watts SuperVOOC charger with a charger in the box and 50 watt AirVOOC wireless charging support. You can full charge the phone in 26 minutes, but users in North America will get a slightly lower 80 watts, so the charging time goes up to 30 minutes. You get the OnePlus 12R. It's the first OnePlus 12R phone outside of India. It packs 2023's latest chipset at that time, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It has the same dual VC as the 12. It has a 6.78-inch 1.5K screen with 120Hz refresh rate with the same 4500 nits of peak brightness. It ships with 5500 mAh battery, the biggest one OnePlus has fitted yet on the phone. It's complemented by a 100 watt SuperVOOC charger. It doesn't have wireless charging. And with this phone, it comes a charging management chip which promises up to 1600 battery cycles. That is more than 4 years of charging. It comes with a 50 megapixel IMX Sony A890 as a main sensor. You get 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel rubbish sensor. Upfront, you get a 16 megapixel selfie camera. It comes with IP64 the dust and water protection. The OnePlus 12R comes in two colors, that is a cool blue and matte iron grey. Its pricing is at $500 for the base model and $600 for the second model. The pre-order starts today and is shipped in India from February 6th and from February 13th in the North American region. The OnePlus 12 is available in the flowy emerald, silky black, starting at 64,999 Indian rupees or $800. And for the 16 512 GB version, it will be around 69,999 rupees or $900. It's already available for pre-order and will ship in North America, India and Europe from February 6th. OnePlus also announced the OnePlus Buds 3. They offer a dual driver design and active noise cancellation up to 49 dB. The OnePlus Buds 3 has a similar design as a Buds 2 Pro, but it is glossier. It has 3 microphones, a touch-sensitive area on the stems and IP55 rating. They cost $99 or 5,499 Indian rupees, and it will be available for open sale in February 5th in North America and February 6th in Europe and India.